2025, the year AI changed everything. Here's a full year AI recap. This year didn't just improve AI, it wrote what software even means. We went from chatbots answering questions to AI using browsers, seeing world, building games, and even writing production ready code. And in some cases, outperform experts. Hi, my name is Yasir and welcome back to weekly AI news series. Every week I break down the biggest AI trends, the newest tools and tech breakthroughs you need to know in just a few minutes. So today, instead of weekly AI news, we're doing something special. Let's rewind the biggest AI breakthroughs in 2025, quarter by quarter, and then I'll share you what it means for 2026. Let's start with Q1. Q1 was the moment AI stopped just talking and started doing real work. OpenAI kicked it off with Operator, an AI agent that could use a real browser, fill forms, schedule meetings, place orders. Suddenly, boring workflows that took human hours were made done in minutes. At the same time, Yellow.ai's Copilot went viral with a big promise. You can actually see how the agent is thinking. For developers, that was huge. AI debugging finally became transparent. Then came Amazon Nova Act, another browser acting agent but built for enterprise automation. And quietly in the background, early versions of GPT 4.5 inside ChatGPT made coding and content creation feel smoother. Few silly mistakes, better structure. But here's the Q1's takeaway. AI stopped being a helper and started becoming a digital worker. So, Q2 was all about multimodal intelligence. Google pushed hard with Gemini 2.5, bringing text and image, audio, and reasoning together at scale. Then came Project Astra. You point your phone camera at something and AI explains it live. That's not a demo, that's the future of assistants. Meanwhile, Amazon Nova Sonic and Premiere showed natural voice to voice conversation, no typing required. And across industries, agentic AI exploded. Logistics companies started using autonomous systems to plan routes, forecast delays, and even simulate decisions. Microsoft rolled out Copilot inside enterprises, and suddenly AI wasn't a tool, it was embedded into everyday work. So, Q2 proved one thing: AI doesn't live in chat boxes anymore, it lives inside workflows. This is where things get interesting. OpenAI released GPT-5 and for the first time people started saying, wait, this feels PhD level. Better reasoning, fewer hallucinations and much stronger consistency. Then DeepMind dropped Genie 3, which turned text prompts into playable 3D worlds. Not images, not videos, actual environments you could interact with. Crazy, right? Microsoft upgraded 365 Copilot again, now handling long documentations, meetings, and images with real context. And tools like Snowflake Intelligence finally made natural language queries work on messy enterprise data possible. This means easier SQL queries. Now, Q3 was the moment AI stopped being impressive and started being unavoidable. So finally Q4 felt like a sprint. XAI launched Grok 4.1, which topped leaderboards and surprised everyone with its emotional intelligence. Well done, Elon Musk. Then Google answered with Gemini 3, a 1 million token context window and VO3 video generation rolled out to billions of users. Anthropic released Claude Opus 4.5, which became the best coding model, cheaper, faster, and capable of working autonomously for 30 minutes straight. And finally, GPT 5.2 landed, dominating science, research, and professional reasoning benchmarks, leaving Google's research behind. Even cybersecurity changed, with AI agents handling incident investigations end to end. Q4 made one thing clear: AI is no longer experimental, it's production grade intelligence. 2026, what happens next? So here's my prediction for 2026. AI agents will replace entire workflows, not jobs. Voice first interface will break keywords. Every company becomes an AI company or just falls behind. Solo creators will run AI teams now. And AI won't feel like software anymore, it will feel like infrastructure. So, the biggest shift won't be smarter models, it will be trusting AI to act without supervision. 2025 wasn't just the year where AI went viral. It was the year AI became real. If you want more deep weekly breakdowns like this, then follow Next AI Hustle and I'll see you in the next one. So subscribe and stay ahead.